Hey everybody, I just want to get on here and say that when you're doing your mechanic's laundry, always empty his pockets, no matter what. Promise you it'll save your washer and dryer. When I do with my mechanic's pockets content, I stick it in a container. Yes, this was in his pocket. Throw it in there, and when he goes, "Babe, have you seen this? Have you seen that?" Hand him the container. It keeps your clutter away out of view, and it keeps the youngins out of whatever is in his pockets. Loose change I throw into our savings jar to cash in at the end of the year, and single bills I put it back in his lunchbox. He can use it during the day at work. Thanks for following me. Like, comment, share, subscribe, spread the word. Thanks. Bye.